Hi, I'm Michael Katsaros with the Washington Center for Dentistry, and I'd like to talk to you about mouth guards. There are several different kinds of mouth guards that you can use, mostly for night guards and clenching and grinding, but there's also some for an obstructed sleep airway. Some people have an issue with snoring or sleep apnea, and there are comfortable appliances that can be custom fabricated for your teeth to treat tooth grinding, snoring, and sleep apnea. If you feel as though you have any of these concerns, see your dentist, and I hope that this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.